So in this video, we are going to discuss about the some more mathematics which are related with the cryptography, and we will be discussing about the logarithm. As we know that in many cryptographic algorithm, we have to use the exponential function, and if exponential function is being used, then how to use the uh, logarithm value also. So, what is logarithm? In cryptography, logarithm is also used for a certain purpose, because we have seen that in most of the cases we have to calculate the exponential function, whether we are going to do the encryption process or the decryption process. So if we are doing encryption process and we are using exponential function, exponentiation, then any attacker who is sitting in between can use the mathematics related with the logarithm to do certain kinds of attack. But since the reverse of the exponential is little bit tough, but even though it is possible. So let us take an example. Suppose in most of the algorithm we used to use the function like y is equal to a to the power x mod n, where we try to calculate the value of y where we know a, x and n. Suppose x is the key. So if so y is the value which is being sent by the sender. So if somebody else is knowing y, knowing a, knowing n, so it can also find out the value of x. And how the value of x can be find out? With the mathematics related with the logarithm, because x will be equal to log y to the base a mod n. So discrete concept of discrete logarithm is being applied in this. So we have to study it. What is discrete logarithm? But before going to discrete logarithm, there are certain prerequisites which we have already discussed in the previous lecture also, but it is the requirement of the discrete logarithm. So we are discussing it over here. So finite multiplicative group, we know there are certain groups which are multiplicative groups, and in cryptography, multiplicative finite group is used quite often. So this multiplicative finite group is represented as Zn star multiplication, meaning thereby the set is Zn star. What is Zn star? Zn star is set of integers having certain value of n, and this set contains only those elements which are prime, co-prime with n, or in other words you can say the elements of this Zn star will be only those elements which has multiplicative inverses. So what Zn star contains? It contains those integers from 1 to n minus n that are relatively prime to n with identity element is equal to 1. So we can define multiplicative group into two ways. One contains those integers from 1 to n minus 1 which are relatively prime to this n, or those uh, integers who has multiplicative inverse will be the elements of Zn star. Now the order of the group, how we find out the order of the group, we have already discussed, but the number of elements present in the group is known as order of the group. So if we have to find out Zn star में कितने elements होंगे, how many elements will be there, we will find out the order by calculating the tangent or the Euler's function phi n. Phi n can be calculated if uh, with four postulates which we have already discussed in the previous lecture also, that how to calculate the phi n. So let us calculate, suppose a group is having Z21 star multiplication sign, then what is the order of this group? Order of this group means what is the value, what is the number of, how many elements will be present, because every element will from 1 to 1 n minus 1 will not be the element of this, because those who are having relatively prime with 21 will be the element, and it can be find out with the Euler's tangent function, that is phi 21 which is equal to phi 7 into phi 3. Phi 7 is equal to 6 and phi 3 is equal to 2, so there will be 12 elements. And what will be those elements? 1 2 4 5 8 10 11 13 16 17 19 20. Why these are the elements? Because all these elements are co-prime to 21. How you to find co-prime? Those numbers, the GCD of 21 and the any number. If it is 1, that is co-prime to 21. So this is the idea about the multiplicative group. Then what is the order of element. So as we used to find out the order of the group, similarly we try to find out the order of the element. So order of where A is the element of Zn star will be called order of the element in the group. It is the smallest integer I such that a to the power I is congruent to E mod n, where E is the identity element, and for the multiplication case it is normally usually 1. So if it is asked that find the order of all elements of Z10 star, so first of all we have to find out how many elements will be there. So Z10 star will have 4 elements, because it will be Z 510 will be equal to 5 into 52. 5 is equal to 4 and 2 is equal to 1. So 4 into 1 will be 4 elements. And what are those elements? From those elements from 1 to n minus 1 which are co-prime with 10. So 1, 3, 5 and 7. Now what is the condition? The condition is written as it is fact that order of an element divides the order of group. And order of the group is 4. इसका मतलब है कि किसी भी एलिमेंट का, इसमें जितने भी एलिमेंट है 1, 3, 5, इनका जो ऑर्डर होगा वो या तो 1 होगा या 2 होगा या 4 होगा. वी हैव टू चेक, एंड जो भी आई की वैल्यू मिनिमम होगी, स्मॉलेस्ट होगी, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज अ ऑर्डर ऑफ एलिमेंट. सो ऑर्डर ऑफ एलिमेंट निकालने के लिए हमारे पास एक यूलर्स थ्योरम भी है. इसमें कहा जाता है कि इफ ए इज द मेंबर ऑफ ए ग्रुप, then a to the power phi n will be equal to 1 mod n. This theorem is helpful because it shows that the relationship that a to the power I is equal to 1 mod n, because यहाँ पे e की वैल्यू 1 है, इसका मतलब I की वैल्यू क्या होगी, वो phi n होगी. इसका मतलब है कि a to the power I is equal to 1 mod n holds when I is equal to phi n. Even it is also possible that even if it holds where I is less than phi n, but at least once there will be a relation which will show that a to the power phi n will be equal to 1 mod n, and phi n can be the order of the element. If there are certain value which are less than phi n, in for that also we are getting 1 mod n, then that element which is lesser, which is smaller, that integer will be called the order of element. So let us take an example. Suppose the example is a to the power I is equal to x mod 8, where x should be equal to 1. A to the power I is equal to x mod 8 for the group G8 star multiplication. So first of all we have to find out what is the how many elements will be available in phi 8. There will be 4 elements, because it will be 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3, phi 2 to the power 3 will be equal to phi 2 to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 2. So 8 minus 4, that will be equal to 4. And the elements will be 1, 3, 5, 7. So elements are 1, 3, 5, 7, and I we have taken many values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as a positive integer. So let us check when a to the power 1 is made, what will be the value. A to the power 1 means 1 to the power 1 is equal to 1. So x value is equal to 1. 1 to the power 2 is 1. 1 to the power 3 is 1. 1 to the power 4 is also 1. So every value is 1. Let us check order of the 3. What is the order of 3? So 3 to the power 1 is equal to 3. So it is not going to satisfy the condition of order of element. 3 to the power 2 is equal to 9. 9 mod 8 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. So it is going to satisfy the condition of order of the element. At 3 to the power 3, 27. 27 mod 8 will be 3. So I is equal to 3. So x will be 3. A to the power 3 to the power 4 will be 81. 3 to the power 4 will be 81. Now we already know 3 square is 1, so 3 to the power 4 is also 1. And similarly for I is equal to, we will be getting different value. So and a is equal to 5, 5 to the power 1 will be 5, 5 to the power 2, 25, it will be 1, 5 to the power 3, 125, so residue will be 5, mod 8, and so on. So what I am trying to show you, since the order of the group is 4, so when order of group is 4, for I is equal to 4, we are getting the value of x. For every element we are getting 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So it means it is happening at least once, but the order of the element, the definition of the order element says that a to the power I, it will be order of the element is smallest integer I such that a to the power I is equal to e mod n. So here 1 to the power 1 is 1. 1 to the power 4 is 1. Now we have to find out the smallest integer. So smallest is the 1. So 1 is the order of 1. Similarly for 3, we are getting 2 value of x is equal to 1. 3 value as x is equal to 1. I is equal to 2, I is equal to 4, I is equal to 6. For all these 3 I, we are getting 1, 1, 1. But as per the definition of the order of the element, the smallest integer, the smallest integer is 2. Out of 2, 4, 6, smallest is 2. So order of 3 is also 2. Similarly, order of 5 is 2. So order of 7 is 2. Even though we have x is equal to 1 here, x is equal to 1 here, x is equal to 1 here, but we have to find out the smallest. So as far as the order of the elements are concerned, the order of 1 is 1, order of 3 is 2 because we are getting x is equal to 1. Order of 5 is 2 because we are getting 1. Order of 7 is 2 because we are getting 1. So this is how the order of element is being found. Now the next is the primitive roots. How to find out primitive roots? But before going to find out the primitive root, we have to find out what is primitive root. And this primitive root is often used in algorithmic crypto system. So any group Zn star multiplication sign, when the order of the element is same as the order of the group, that element is called primitive roots. Meaning thereby, in this case, order of the group is 4 and order of all the elements are either 1 or 2. So it means this group does not have primitive roots. Primitive roots वही elements के होंगे जिसका order of element and order of group दोनों same होगा. अगर दोनों वैल्यू डिफरेंट होगी तो वो प्रिमिटिव रूट नहीं होगा. उसी वो एलिमेंट को प्रिमिटिव रूट बोला जाता है जिस एलिमेंट का ऑर्डर ग्रुप के ऑर्डर के बराबर होता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रिमिटिव रूट. तो प्रिमिटिव रूट कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? द ग्रुप हैज प्रिमिटिव रूट्स ओनली इफ n की वैल्यू अगर 2 होगी या 4 होगी तो उसके अंदर प्रिमिटिव रूट्स होंगे. या either it will be p to the power t where t is an integer and p is a prime number. अगर p प्राइम नंबर है p to the power t, अगर इस तरीके का कोई ग्रुप है तो उसके अंदर प्राइम प्रिमिटिव रूट्स होंगे. और इट मे बी 2p to the power t. और किसी भी ग्रुप में कितने प्रिमिटिव रूट्स हो सकते हैं? वी हैव टू टेक द टॉसिएंट फंक्शन ऑफ द टॉसिएंट फंक्शन ऑफ द n. If the group Zn star multiplication has primitive roots, then it will be cyclic also. And जितने भी primitive roots होंगे, all these primitive roots will be the generator. What is cyclic group? Cyclic group में ऐसा होता है कि जितने भी element, out of many elements present in the group, there should be at least one element which is able to generate all the elements of the group. That group is called cyclic group and that element is called generator. So if we have primitive roots within the group, that primitive roots will be the generator. So let us find out the primitive roots of Z7 star. So we will use the same fundamental as we have used earlier. This table shows the result of a to the power I. Z7 star में कितने elements होंगे? 6 elements होंगे. कौन कौन से एलिमेंट होंगे? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So let us check. If any one of these elements has the order which is equal to the order of this group 6, then that element will be the primitive roots. So when I have taken a is equal to 1, we got x is equal to 1. When taken a is equal to 2, so when I is equal to 3, we are getting 1. Even though we know that the order of the group is 6, it is getting 1. But it is also getting 1 at I is equal to 3. So it means this is also not a primitive root. But when we take a is equal to 3, we are getting x when I is equal to x is equal to 1 when I is equal to 6. Meaning there were 3 to the power 6 mod 7 is going to give the value 1 and no other x is 1. Then only we can say that a is equal to 3 is a primitive root. Similarly, 4 is not having a primitive root. Why? Because at I is equal to 3 we are getting 1. So order of the element, order of 1 is 1, order of 2 is 3, order of 3 is 6. So 3 is the primitive root. Order of 4 is 3. So it is not a primitive root. Order of 5 is again 6. So this is also a primitive root. And order of 6 is 2. So this is also. So only two primitive roots are available, either 3 or 5.